Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a screen on Skype. So, in order to do this, first of all, open a Skype application on your PC, or you can also navigate to skype.com and log in using user credentials. After you log in, you will see an interface that will look something like this. So this is a Skype app. Here, I will click on a Start Call button at the top right of the screen and host a meeting. Now, after hosting a meeting, you will see invite, record, participant, twin cam and all these tools available at the bottom of your screen. So you'll have to simply navigate to this share a screen button at the bottom right of the screen, that is just after chat, and after you click on that button, you will see a pop-up appearing. Here you can choose whether you want desktop, window or other previews available on your screen. So you can choose whatever window you want to share on your screen and click on Start Sharing. You can also choose to toggle the switch on that says Share Computer Sound. When you toggle the switch on, people will be able to hear your computer sound in the meeting. So you can choose to toggle the switch on or off. After doing this, you can click on Start Sharing. After you click on Start Sharing, your PC's screen will be shared with the people in the meeting on Skype. And after it's done, you can click on Stop Sharing and click on Confirm Stop Sharing. So the simple way was clicking on the screen share button at the bottom right of the screen on Skype, and you can share a screen by doing that. So that's how you share a screen on Skype. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.